I would never want a math teacher that has never been to college to teach me math. So why would anyone want me to train them on how to do something like ceramic coating on a car if I was not properly certified myself? Hello guys, my name is Tony Scott. I'm from Nassau, Bahamas, and I'm here at Right Look so I can become a auto reconditioning specialist. Originally, man, I was just watching YouTube videos, picking up the wrong information, using the wrong chemicals in the wrong places, and Right Look helped me master everything that I needed, from the chemicals down to how I use the equipment, down to the timing that I need to be done, and all different aspects as well. I seen how professional these guys were. I seen how he took his business from one step to the next, and I just had to do what I had to do to get here, to be able to get just like the guys that I seen that left from rightlook.com. Just seeing so many different people from so many different states and so many different cities just showed me even more why I really came to Right Look. You know, it showed me that, you know, I have a lot of competition out there, but one thing that I do appreciate that Right Look does for all of us that nobody else that's coming to Right Look is helping separate us from other detailers out there. Every career has a tool. The doctor has the stethoscope. The dentist has the little mirror that he uses to check your teeth. If you have any type of specialty, you have specific tools that you need that do the smallest job that make your job so much easier. This business is just like any other business. It's gonna always change. Everything is gonna always upgrade, and the best thing about Right Look is always gonna make sure that we're up to date with the new technology and showed how to properly use the equipment that puts the old equipment behind, which keeps us ahead of other detailers. Coming from somebody to telling me that as long as I use the grinder slowly to wax a car, that everything will be okay, to find out that that's absolutely incorrect, it was just a big step. And I'm gonna have an amazing business running with all of the help of Ruben. I couldn't have done anything without him, from the education, from the hands-on training. Ruben knows how to break everything down to the point that even a 3-year-old can do it. And, you know, and that's what I appreciate the most. As a business, you can't never run a business by yourself forever, and there's no way that I can teach someone how to recondition a car without me personally knowing the steps and at least showing some type of certification behind it. Because I would never want a math teacher that has never been to college to teach me math. So why would anyone want me to train them on how to do something like ceramic coating on a car if I was not properly certified myself? The main reason that really made me come is I was not confident in my pricing. You know, I undermined myself so much, which made me work harder for less money when it shouldn't have been like that. Now I'm gonna go back with the confidence I need in order for me to even tell a customer, like, no ma'am, I can't do it for that much. I know my value, you know, I know the value of my work, but I've always known my value, because even being back in the Bahamas, I charged so cheap because I knew the value of my work was, you know, low. But I still put my all into what I did. I came here with no money and was ready to sleep in my car to be able to be here, because I knew when I went back, it would be a big difference. As you can see behind me, we have Aston Martin. I've actually never seen the fact that if you wouldn't believe that this had scratches all over it. It had fallout all over it. And a lot of the things that were on this car that I worked on today, if you would have called me in the Bahamas to come and do it, I absolutely would not have been able to give these results. But I can proudly say that my hands made this car look like it is. And it's all because of rightlook.com. And my overall experience with Right Look is that this is a perfect place for any detailer to get rid of the name of being a detailer and becoming a specialist. And I would absolutely recommend this to anybody that is detailing, not detailing, or even has no idea on what they want to do with themselves, because unlike any place, and unlike going to college that's going to teach you to get a job, to work for 30 years, and have a 30-year mortgage to live the American nightmare, I'd rather come to rightlook.com, where they showed me to build a dream, to live the real American dream.